Toastmasters International President DTM Deepak Menon to please take in charge of this auspicious moment.
Congratulations, distinguished Toastmaster Banu.
Maybe 12.
Would you please take a photograph?
You didn't say that when I shook your hands. So unfair.
Namaste, everybody. My voice now resembles Suman's voice because I lost it yesterday. I've been speaking so much since I arrived here the day before yesterday that now my voice is a shadow of myself. I don't know whether you can hear me. I can't hear myself, honestly speaking. I lost my sense of hearing along with the sense of my voice because today morning, guess where we were? We were on a mountain flight. And it was an absolutely glorious day and a magnificent experience. Flying through the mountains, looking at them so close up. In fact, we were told that we have been the most fortunate ever in those morning flights because we were barely 5 kilometers from the peak of Mount Everest.
Yes.
Can you imagine that? It was such a fabulous experience. And I thought there's nothing in the world that can beat that experience. That magnificence that showed itself in front of my eyes. But you know what? Coming to Dhulikhel and seeing each one of you, your fresh faces, new Toastmasters taking over your club's executive committee is much more magnificent. Congratulations. I've been described in very many different ways. For the first time today, somebody called me God. But let me tell you, I'm no God. I'm just like each one of you. I started my journey 17 years ago as a Toastmaster. And I started off as a club officer in 2003. I became the president of my club in 2003. So I joined in 2002. And the first position that I got in Toastmasters was that of the president of a club. So I learned all my lessons through that position of the president of a club. Just as you are going to be learning a lot of leadership lessons as the leaders of your clubs. And so I'm very excited for each one of you because you're going to be in for a fabulous time. You need to keep your eyes and ears and minds open because the experiences you're going to have as the leaders of your clubs are unbeatable. You're going to have some highs and you're going to have some lows. There'll be times when you will be elated and then there are times when you're going to be depressed. But remember, Toastmasters is a support system where everybody is working together to achieve the common objective, the common goal. And so never ever feel that you're alone. At this time, I'm going to invite all the sergeant-at-arms of the 7 or 9, is it 9 clubs or 7 clubs?
7 clubs.
So of all the 7 clubs, the sergeant-at-arms who are present in this room, please come up. Are there any sergeant-at-arms? Please come up. So the installation will be in reverse order of the roles in a club. Do you know what are the roles in the club? Sergeant-at-arms and then treasurer and secretary, then
Vice President,
Vice
PR,
President Public Relations,
Vice President, Membership,
Vice President,
Education,
and
President.
President. Absolutely. You know, there are only 2 president roles in Toastmasters International. One is club president
And one
the
is
other
international.
Toastmasters International president. There are no other presidents in this organization. So you're exactly as I am. You're all presidents and I'm a president too. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask all of them to hold this gavel. Now, obviously, there is only one gavel and they cannot all hold it. So one person in the center is going to hold it, and then everybody hold each other, right? And so they are in effect holding this gavel. So I'm going to give it to this young lady, and please everybody hold her hand if you can get to it. Fantastic. And as I do the installation, I'll briefly describe the role that they are going to be fulfilling in their club as Sergeant at Arms or in the other positions. And then I will ask them to take an oath. So this is going to be the format that we will follow. So as Sergeant at Arms of your clubs, you are the event managers of your club. You are the ones who are going to be responsible for ensuring that the meetings begins on time, and so you need to be at your clubs much earlier before the start of the meeting. Set up the room, ensure that you take care of all the property and assets of the room of the Toastmasters Club, and ensure that you are there at the end to close the meeting and take all the assets, the possession of the assets, and keep them safe. Also, whenever there are special events, you are the one who is going to be responsible for those special events. Of course, you will receive assistance from the rest of your club, but you are the ones responsible for it. Will you, as the Sergeant at Arms of your clubs, fulfill these duties to the best of your abilities? And the only answer that you can give me is, yes, I will. Yes, I will. Fantastic. Congratulations. I hereby declare you installed as Sergeant at Arms of your Toastmasters Club. Importantly, I want you all to tell us your name and the club that you belong to. Okay?
Hello everyone, I'm Devana Maharjan and I'm a Sergeant at Arms in the club, Toastmasters Club in Dhulikhel.
Thank you. Give her a round of applause.
My name is Dhulikhel and I'm from Women Club Toastmasters Club. And we are very happy to join Toastmasters Club. The format of it is very nice and we are enjoying it so far.
Nothing else.
Good morning everyone. I am Ritika Lama from Nani Toastmasters. And Suresh Mehta from Toastmasters Club. I'm Nita from Toastmasters Club.
Congratulations again. Congratulations. Please take your seats. And now I'd like to ask all the club secretaries to step forward. Club treasurers. Can all the club treasurers step forward?
Now it is 8.
There seems to be more club treasurers than the number of clubs we're installing.
8 clubs.
8 clubs.
Total 8 clubs.
Oh,
One,
They could not come.
they had an accident,
oh my God.
so the banner and the president, as well as one more executive committee, is on the way. They won't be able to come.
Okay, you hold this. I'm going to ask you to hold this. Everybody hold this young lady. And I am now going to install the treasurers of the Toastmasters clubs that have just been chartered as treasurers. You are the CFOs of your Toastmasters clubs. You know what a CFO is? The Chief Financial Officer. In effect, you're learning the ropes of accounting, of managing finances, of ensuring that you keep accounts carefully, ensure that you spend money very frugally, no extra spending, ensure that you run after all the people in the club, all the members in the club, and collect the money from them, and send it off to Toastmasters International as per the required time, right? Because if you don't do that, none of the members will have access to buffets. So it's your responsibility that you ensure that your club keeps running with the money that's available, with the finances that are available. Will you, as the club treasurer, be willing to fulfill this duty to the best of your ability? And the answer is? Yes. You will, right? Yes, you do. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. And please, before you leave, I would like you to tell us your name and which club you're from.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Joel, representing treasurer from Toastmasters.
Good morning, everyone.
I'm Dhulikhel Nepal from Toastmasters.
Good morning, everyone. This is Bima Mainali from Academia Toastmaster Club. Good morning, everyone. This is Julia Chitrakar from Nepal Women's Toastmasters.
Good morning, everyone. This is Rachindra Rajpanthi from Eti Toastmasters.
Good morning, everyone. This is Crystal Brataki from Late Toastmasters.
Good morning, everyone. This is Pramita Shrestha from Dhulikhel Nepal.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You may take your seats. Congratulations. May I request all the club secretaries to come forward, please? You know, you can applaud for these people as they come. One of the applaud. Please, everybody, I can get hold of the hand. Yeah, that's right. Perfect. Thank you. So, as club secretaries, you are the record keepers of your Toastmasters clubs. You will record the minutes of all the club meetings, the special meetings, as well as the executive committee meetings that occur, and you will circulate those minutes to your members. You will also ensure that you keep the club records up to date, the addresses of all the members, their email addresses, their WhatsApp IDs, and whatever means of communication you have with your club members. You're going to ensure that they all remain updated so that every member receives the communications and the correspondence that you want that the club's members must receive. And of course, you're going to ensure that the club's information online remains up to date as well. So these are the responsibilities in summary of the club secretary. Will you, as the club secretaries of your Toastmasters club, fulfill these duties to the best of your ability? Yes, sir. Congratulations, I hereby declare you installed as club secretary of the club.
My name is Sushmita Nagin and I'm from Dhulikhel Toastmasters.
Hello, everyone. I saw 15 of the swords were all set. I'm the secretary of Academy Toastmasters.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Wasim Ansari and I'm representing Deepak Toastmasters Club.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dhulikhel Nepal from Toastmasters Club.
May I request all the Vice President Public Relations to come forward, please. Why are the people shrinking?
Numbers are shrinking.
Please, yes,
Before
great.
not here, they have to get installed.
As Vice Presidents
More.
So we have a PR from that club. Okay. So it's further shrunk.
It's only three.
Okay, as Vice President of Intallation, your duty is to spread the message of Toastmasters far and wide outside the club. You need to ensure that you market your club in such a way that people from all over the country as well as outside get to know your presence and want to come only to your club. Right? Can you do that? So you will be responsible to have a club newsletter, you should maintain a club website, you will also ensure that you provide information about what's going on, the